amone kawa ebintu bya salikire byalire mune bonus abalimi bakolera so bad.
Right.
Ekyo gekoli kwaro kinga ana wane ki director tochorete chionsi charokanire chiko bwati abaraya abale bono mutu because yose koligereria abalimi is kind of yani very marginalized, poverty very weaponized in a way abaraye batageta abalimi abatigalencia for some time. Elinde nalyo bakonyara ko control umwe muntu mutaka ubirengere byaye birenga inkyakuri rero
naboko musauno kadete
inkyakuri mambi ngakyakurara ngakyakorageria abana baye. That is the poor man's mind. Bona abalemya abaraya aba I'm sorry tutake tobaruka abarai tutake tobaruke ani ruinous seke songo tumadina gindanyi beke seke usi ruinous yani abantu bali bago sivia abandi because baba marginalized yo bole mibono bwa very marginalized to again to get kebege tali buna kiarenge before
Musho Peter Jim. Yes. No, that is in order, but I want you to put it clearly. When you talk about abaraya baigaba beruinas bagu siria bantu, what kind of leaders are you talking about? You can talk about different leaders.
Even from national leadership.
Yes.
So mpaka our directors.
All right.
Because since inaibole tunanya korole director ego sera umuntu okuchikomochora mu wakirise bole myaka.
Right. Yes.
I'm telling you, that is how now they have weaponized and they are very systematic, deliberate, paka national.
Is that what happening in Kisii?
That is what is happening in Kisii.
Oh yes.
Onye batali go korabo. Yani they have reduced yabalemi to animals. Yani obo ikaransi abantu amari bayigoro uko baserore tu uga inga nko baseranda abantu bayikaransa assembly twete bamenya kwaewa 200 yakero uko baranga inkiranda actually abande bakanya 100. Is that what na one sabuni eliye go sibi is more expensive than chibe as a wasero bono abantu baito ba very reduced to animals, yani to animals literally, because abegetera in area atagete go serwa. And this is particularly in Kisii in corona rabantu baminto in corona rabantu baminta mabira nari ramaliga, because that is being reduced to animals. Why I go 200? No, I go 6. No, I go 1,000. That is not worth it. Unomoremi. Na ende kero kwa hiru chibesejo not knowing, because chibesejo abantu bakotanga ngango chibale ko kokore gwerende ko embawa bale abalemi aba pesa chiri budgeted for it ngaichiarwa okoerwe embawa medieli chibese budget is not in the budget. Osarigo you look at that technically chibesa chine chiabalemi chire scooped bono omuremi akoiberwa na ndobagirwa. Yani baise ko kane wento kelio ko bagerwa gyo serwa to koiberu kono right now umuntu okoiranga empowerment 200 lakini okoibere 10,000. You are the loser. That is why ngotebanga abalemi they have been marginalized and they are the most poor people in our communities. Abalemi baitu kanga they should be the richest people because they produce. So leaders take the advantage. In fact, abalemi baitu abalemi nabwa bange majority nkali baise wanja na abana aba baitu ba porta baise ba very marginalized. In fact, in our research out of 10 porta people 3 are graduates. Out of 10 Kenya women is obviously. Out of 10 3 are graduates from universities. Why? They have been, instead of getting out of poverty, they have been returned to the poverty circles. That is what I'm telling you today. And Kisii will be the worst community ever, because you have arrived na baliba ko ruterunga empowerment. Not asking why empowerment yetali koyo, why tali ko ganda bosigisi, why tali ko ganda any other place bogere is only in Kisii. In fact, empowerment is only in Kisii. The 200 shillings as you go ngusi.
Right.